We have been doing the hybrid classroom for maybe a few weeks now, and it has been a really positive experience for both the students and the teachers, as well myself and my student teacher, Ms. Rifkin. What I like most about it is that we are able to get up close and personal with each student to make sure that they learn all of the skills that they are required to learn. A lot of times in a whole group classroom setting, kids can melt into the background, they can slip into a quiet zone. Whereas with the hybrid classroom, the students are moving around in stations, and when they go to the teacher-directed station, you're able to look into their eyes, see when they don't understand something. You're able to correct it immediately. They feel more comfortable because it's a smaller setting, and they're able to learn. One of the things that I've experienced is some students that may have struggled before have actually verbalized, hey, I like this better, I like working with you, because then I can understand things more. Students are able to get on the computers, and that's a great feature for the hybrid classroom because they hear a different voice and a more colorful voice explaining the concepts that we have learned in class. And in the teacher-directed group, we're able to refresh those skills with the students and find that they are cemented even more in their minds because they've seen it several times. The collaborative group is also great. It gets students talking to one another, bouncing ideas off of one another. And sometimes the best teachers for a student is their peer, because they get to see, they get to talk about things that are related to them, whereas I, the teacher, I'm several years older than them. So they're able to connect with their peers and learn a little bit more from each other to do great projects.